Sam Gallagher here with MarineMax Coco, and I'm standing next to one of my favorite models, the Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. You can see it's the white hull color. You can see the black powder coating, black rub rail with a stainless insert, chrome graphics, paired with a couple of black 200 Mercury's 4-stroke V6 motors. Now that we're in the cockpit of the 250 Outrage, you can see there's plenty of room for fishing. Back here in the aft, you have a pull-out seat. Comfortably fits about 2 people. Best seat in the house. Stows away, continue your fishing. You have rod holders along the back, along with your waist in water. Here you have rocket launchers. Taco outriggers, beautiful. Here's your bait well. Easy access. Some more cup holders. Nice grab rail for the rough seas. Beautiful helm seating. Armrest flip down, bolsters. My favorite part is this dash. It's laid out beautifully. You have twin Simrads, your Mercury vessel view, your Simrad VHF, spotlight controls, a nice lockable glove box, your JL audio head unit, and then your trim tab controls. You do have a box up here as well that is lockable for personal items. As we make our way up to the bow, I wanted to point out these trolling seats on both sides. Right here is a head. As you can see, your battery controls, your on and off switches, porcelain pump out head. Plus this spot is good for storage, anything that you don't want to get wet. We have a nice seat here with flip down armrest. It's a big comfortable seat. Underneath the seat, a cooler. All these cushions remove, along with these up front at the bow. That way you can store them. If you're out fishing, you don't want to get guts and blood on them. Storage up front, as well as in the floor. You do have a windlass top mount. You have controls at the helm, as well as a remote here. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 250 Outrage, available here at MarineMax Coco. If you'd like to come in and check the boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.